Hi there, this is Lida, and this is a quick demo on DreamClass. We don't want you to get bored, so quickly I'm going to let you know that this video explains how you can track your enrollment process in DreamClass, how you can send invoices to your parents or students, how to track attendance, enter grades, and how you can contact all of your audiences with email or text communication. So let's get started. So take your gaze to the left-hand side, and the first stop is admissions. In DreamClass, you can create your own enrollment form, and you will be able to invite new students and new parents into your school. To quickly show you how this looks like, it's a public URL and you can add it to your website. You see the different fields that you can collect. So you can collect father, mother, and the relationship status. You can add the student's information as well as what grade they're enrolling for. And lastly, you can collect different files as well as have parents sign this application form and pay. Next up is attendance. So click attendance menu and let's do this together. If you're tracking attendance in Excel or manually, you really need to stop doing that. So by clicking track all in DreamClass, you're able to track attendance just like that, and you have different statuses representing all of that day's statuses. If your school doesn't track attendance per day, you can toggle to the settings and define that your attendance is tracked per lesson or per class. Next up is class rosters and our dear students and how all of this comes together. So in DreamClass, we're managing your groups of students into rosters. So if we want to see the first graders, we're going to click first graders and we will be able to see all the courses that they take. The courses are highly customizable, so if you would like to create your own, you can click Add Course and assign it to the first graders, or simply go to the curriculum and add a new course right here. If you would like to register new students into the first graders, you can do that by scrolling down here where it says Enroll Student. You can select to find all the first graders and just hit Save, or you can do that from the Students menu. In DreamClass, you can manage the students' records and demographics. So if you click Create Student, you can quickly add a new profile, or you can select the bulk actions and import students in bulk using the CSV. In order to view a student's profile, all you gotta do is just click the name of the student and you will be prompted to their record. That includes personal information, their grade level, contact information, as well as emergency contact details and other demographics that matter to you. Another thing that you can do in this menu is that you can attach several files into this record. You can view the student's schedule. You're able to add notes, whether it is disciplinary or behavioral, as well as see who is the lead parent and who you should contact when something is important about this student. So that brings us into communication. In order to contact all of your families, this is very easy into DreamClass, and you can select contact families right here, select them all, and you're able to hit contact to send them any kind of communication, which might be that you have a teacher-parent conference day, and you can write it out here. And you can attach any kind of documentation as well as write your email and hit send. Next up is gradebook and report cards. These two connect, so go into any of the courses and select grading and evaluation. So in DreamClass, you can manage a grade. You can have numerical or non-numerical grading by just removing this information over here. You can see this column in numerical. If you would like to manage report cards, you should toggle over to the terms and final grades, fill this out, and then select any of your students and go to report card. So over here, you can see how beautiful and neat that looks, and you don't have to do that manually anymore. Now, in order for you to print them all for your students, you can go to Students, Bulk Actions, Create Student Report Cards, and just like that, you can issue in your next grading term all of those report cards into a single zip file, which you can then print. I promise, last one for today. In DreamClass, you're able to collect tuition fees through our Stripe integration. You can add your own tuition fees, such as term or monthly. And then by going over to a specific family, you're able to assign this fee. So that can be an application fee or a monthly tuition. And via the invoices, you're able to actually bookkeep your payments and flag them as paid with cash or you can simply have them automatically being reflected as paid using our integration. Thank you for watching.